Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe for more Bath & Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. So in this video, I would love to share the new Bath & Body Works The Bake Shop Body Care Collection, which is in stores as of today. So definitely pick this up if you haven't had a chance to. I've smelled these in candle for most of them, but there is one, the chocolate covered cherry, that I have not smelled. So without further ado, let's jump in. Let's start off with chocolate covered cherry. Okay, so I have the body cream as well as the fragrance mist. So kind of childish packaging, but you know, it works. It really works. I like it. Very pretty collection. Okay, so let me read you the scent notes. Rich milk chocolate, red cherries, and sweet liqueur. Let the aroma of an indulgent sweet treat take you away to the bake shop of your dreams. And the retail price for the fragrance mist is $15.50, and the body cream is $14.50. So let's see. I'm not a big fan of chocolate fragrances, so we're gonna have to see, because I love cherry though. So okay, I get a lot of cherry. It actually reminds me of the type of cherry that's in Black Cherry Merlot, actually. And then you get like this chocolate. It's a nice balance. I love the cherry in this, and you also get the chocolate. So yeah, that smells exactly what it sounds like. Chocolate covered cherry. So yeah, I'm curious to try that and see how the chocolate wears, because I actually like hot cocoa and cream, because to me that smells like chocolate chip cookies. It's got that vanilla in there, which is why I like that, but this is just cherry and chocolate, so we'll see. So that's chocolate covered cherry. Oh, and right now, this is not part of the semi-annual sale. This collection is part of the buy 3, get 2 free, and so you can use a coupon, the $10 off 40, to help you out with that. So yeah, next is coconut cream pie, and here is the body cream. Oh, little coconuts and slices. Kind of looks like yeah, coconut cream pie. And here is the fragrance mist. Scent notes. Toasted coconut flakes, caramel custard, golden pie crust. That sounds delicious. Let's see. I have smelled the candle of this. You definitely get the coconut. Let's see. Put a little bit of the body cream on there too. So I get the toasted coconut, and then there's this rich sweetness, which must be the caramel custard. And just, I think, a hint of pie crust. It's nice. I'm not a huge coconut fan, but I do like this. I like bakery scents. So this is nice. I'm curious about this one. I'm gonna have to wear it and see how that wears. So that is coconut cream pie. Next is strawberry pound cake. And I have the fragrance mist and the body cream. Packaging is cute. I prefer the other packaging though, the latest one that just came out, but that's just my opinion. You guys, if you follow me, you know how I feel about this. I really like strawberry pound cake. Fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. So this one smells like a strawberry dessert. It smells like a strawberry dessert, and my nose picks up cream cheese. There's a cream cheese note to this, so to me, this smells like strawberry cheesecake. But I love this. I like to smell like a dessert, so yeah, I love strawberry pound cake, and this does not disappoint, for sure. Let me see. This smells the same. Yep. Strawberry pound cake. But you know what? Maybe... is the strawberry just a little bit more tart now? No, it's the same. I'm crazy. But it's the same. But yeah, that's strawberry pound cake. And the next one is the one I'm most excited about. And it is raspberry jam donut. Here is the packaging for the body cream. I love the pink, like that, that color pink is just so cute to me. And then here is the fragrance mist. And I also picked up the body lotion. And the body lotion is $13.50. Scent notes are wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, and warm fluffy donut. And I have smelled this one in the candle and I love it. Oh yeah, this is like, you get a lot of the raspberry and you get that donut note. Oh, it's so nice, you guys. And it's sweet. I love this. I love raspberry though. I love this. So that is the Bake Shop collection. Please comment and let me know if you've tried any of these or which ones you're excited for. I love to know that you guys stop by my channel. Thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. And as always, you know, if you come to this channel, you're getting prayer. I pray that you guys are safe and everything. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.